Hello, brave heart. Let's do a quick 3-breath, letting go of stress. Ready? Breathing in. Bring the shoulders up. Breathe in a little more and then just let it go. Shake it off. Let's do a couple more. Breathing in. Tensing up. Breathing in a little more and then just letting it go. I encourage you to make some noise with your exhales. Try out this arm swing thing, alternating left over right, right over left. Let's do one more. Breathing in. Tensing up. You can add the fingers and the toes. Pull up in the pelvic floor. Breathe in a little more and then There you have it. It only takes a minute to let go of some stress. Do it. Thanks for being you. Thanks for letting me be me. Make sure and like and subscribe. Stay curious, courageous, fit and free. And I'll be seeing you soon. Ciao for now.